Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. So everybody has asked, well not everybody, but some people have asked how I clean my cast iron. All I do is I run it under hot water. I take this little scrubby that I never rinse out, and it's got some oil in it. And I give it a little scrub. And then from here I take it over to the stove. I put it on the stove on high. I take about 3 paper towels and then I fold them like this. I let the pan completely dry, all the water get out of it. And then I take about, I don't know, this tip of a spoon, maybe a teaspoon of lard. But you wait until this dries. Okay, once all of the water has evaporated out of the pan, I take my lard and I let this melt in here. Joe needs to watch this video so he knows how to do it. And then once the pan starts smoking, I then wipe all of the excess oil out. Make sure I get it up on the sides. And then that's it. Take it off the heat and let it sit. And if there's any extra oil in the bottom, once it cools, wipe it out. See if there's any. That's how I've done my pans for the last 30 years, and I've never had a problem. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Perfect pan. I'm sure other people have other ways of doing it. This is just how I've always done it. Thanks for watching, everybody.